Riley.
And I'm McKinley.
My name's Nixon. You can call me Nix. I will do.
Let's make some memories.
Good morning. Happy Monday. We are just waking up. The girls are asleep. Me and Mom are awake.
Papa Brady gave us some eggs yesterday when we went to visit for when we went to visit for Father's Day, and I left them in my car. So I hope they're still good.
We're going to the pool today. Grandpa Hives.
Why?
Wife. And we have sanitation aid, so we need a couple of things to do. No, we don't.
You just have to cool down a little, honey. Piper says, give me some food.
Started the walk without you guys. Sorry, let's keep going on the walk. Come with us, please.
It's such a beautiful day. I don't know if you can hear me because I'm filming with my phone rather than our camera, but we came on a walk. I am trying to get 10,000 steps in every day, and the walk's up. It's my kids out.
We're going to walk? And we are going to Papa Fly's house and swimming.
One of my favorite summer snacks is fruit pizza. It is scrumptious, so good. So I decided to make it today because I got a whole bunch of fruit. I just washed it, and I'm just barely putting all the fruit on. I'm making a little flag one. It's gonna be so cute. Probably won't eat this until Rye gets home, so I wanted to cover it, but I put little toothpicks around so that the would hold it up. Oh, that one poked through. It's gonna be so yummy. My mouth is watering. As I was making it, I was like piecing it the little pieces.
So we had an accident. What happened?
Oh no.
I don't why did I stop bleeding?
Hey, look, it is so tiny, it'll be okay. I know it hurts, but we're gonna put a little water to make sure it's clean. Just water. Okay, look, now we're gonna be in a paper towel. Here.
I'm not.
You're okay. You're so tough. See, little owies like that, the blood is a little scary, but look, it's already done bleeding. But if we put a Band-Aid on it, it'll be fine, huh? Look at that. Perfect. Mwah.
This will play outside though.
You're so tough. You okay?
Wow, I'm gonna take your foot. Okay. Let's go get Woody.
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe this.
I've never been there before.
Probably this big.
Uh-huh. Okay, you ready? Close your eyeballs. Woo! You are stunning. All right, Mommy's got to get her stimmy on. We are supposed to be going to an extended family party on my dad's side, but it is crazy, crazy wind. Riley just called me and he said that he was driving and saw a trampoline in the air. So before we go, I need to go make sure the trampoline is not gonna fly away while we're gone, because that would cause some major damage. But I'm feeling a little bit dehydrated and I'm going to drink some liquid IV. It would be pretty awesome to see a trampoline in the air, huh?
Well, it's scary too.
It would be scary. So we're gonna make sure the trampoline has its stakes in it. Riley thinks he remembered putting them back when he mowed the lawn, but better safe than sorry. Huh. Dottie girl is going to be 1 in 4 days. Are you gonna be 1? Okay, 1. Good job! You did it! Yay! Say 1. You're being bashful now. All right. Let's assess the damage. Ooh, it's not as windy right now. It's calmed down a little bit. Let's do a little spot check. I wonder if we're gonna be able to swim. Up and 2. We are good to go. Hey, Nix, you need to pick up all of your toys.
Where?
On the grass so they don't fly away. Daddy girl is waiting for us.
Hey, this might be all.
Piper, what are you doing? Here, sit down, sweetie. Sit down. Hi.
Handled. Piper, what happened?
What was the wind?
Yeah. Mom.
The wind was crazy. The wind, we're supposed to have a super bad windstorm and a cold front come in, so we had to make sure the backyard was secured. I don't know if you guys can see this, but look how dusty it is. The storm is coming. The storm is so crazy. You can hear it blowing against our car to the mountains.
Oh yeah. Definitely pulling the car. Crazy.
It was a bad storm. We can't go swimming too cold.
Piper,
Go night night on Dada.
are you tired, baby?
Good. I'm going night night.
Hey.
I almost went. It's almost my birthday.
Are you so big?
Anyone want to make sure Raela's alive?
I'm honestly kind of sad that we couldn't go swimming. The kids have been loving it, and Riley doesn't get to see them swim all the time, so we missed out. But don't worry, that's what we're gonna do for Piper's birthday. So we'll go on Friday.
Almost.
Yay!
Oh.
Go down.
Uh-oh.
And me
Oh,
too.
I'm gonna come get you guys. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
You better win.
Oh, here I come.
Oh, she thirsty. Say, guys, I just want you, my baba. Anytime for night-night. Show your fishies. Yeah. Say night-night. Your braids are beautiful. I love that. You want
Find it.
Thank you, Daddy.
You probably did.
Ow.
Nix, Raela, there's sticky stuff in your hair. I'm sorry. I don't know what you got in it. Oh, you got toothpaste in it. It's toothpaste. You got toothpaste in your hair. Piper, it's night-night time. It's not silly. It's night-night. Okay. Here we go. Sweet dreams. Night-night.
What is this? You wear a hat to sleep?
What, Nick? Your room. Bro.
Oh.
Did you just make it on the shelf? I love you, but your room is a disaster. You've got to keep it clean. That's your chore. Hey. Well, our night definitely did not turn out how we thought it was going to. We were supposed to go swimming. When we got up to my grandpa's house, it was seriously like 60 degrees. Super bad wind, so we just ate pizza and hung out with family. It was a good time, but we got the kids down, and Riley and I just finished watching the NBA Finals. Celtics won. Good night.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.